You asked, Springdale answered. We are so excited to announce a brand new collection of ultra-affordable floor plans in the Springdale travel trailer lineup. Introducing the Springdale Classics. Now tell me, who doesn't love a classic? Part of Keystone's new Classic collection, these new models were designed to give owners everything they need to get out there in new, more affordable packages. Today, I'm sitting in front of our brand new Springdale 260 BHC, a lighter and more affordable family bunkhouse that's based on one of our most popular floor plans. At under 5,000 pounds and just 28 feet and 10 inches, the 260 BHC is the perfect match for a large SUV or lighter duty truck. The first thing you notice is how spacious this model feels. We eliminated the slides in this floor plan to keep the weight down, but with the 81-inch tall ceiling, this 260 BHC still feels super comfortable and open. On top of that, this clever use of space manages to deliver a private primary bedroom, separate living space, and a bunk room. Starting in the front of the coach, you'll find a queen-size bed with plenty of storage, including a shelf above the bed, closets on both sides, and storage underneath. A curtain and large sofa provide separation from the main cabin. With that sofa and booth dinette, there's room for the entire family to relax in the living area. When you're traveling with a family, we know that storage is key. So we added extra storage space beneath the sofa and underneath the dinette bench seats. Directly above the dinette, we've prepped a backer plate, power source, and a cable satellite port so that if you choose to add a television to your camper, you could easily put it on a swivel mount so that it could be seen from the bunk, dinette, or sofa. Turning our attention to the kitchen, you have everything you need to make a home-cooked meal. Oversized cabinets with shelves to maximize kitchen storage, a 2-burner cooktop, and an 11 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator. The rear of the coach is divided between a double-over-double bunkhouse with a full 3-piece bathroom. In similar models, many of our competitors choose to eliminate the sink. However, in our Classic models, we've not only included a sink in the bathroom, we've given owners a full-size shower with a vinyl surround, which provides not only a more finished look, but more importantly, it makes it much easier to clean your shower. Over in the bunkhouse, we've added a window for fresh air on cool summer nights. We've already shown you tons of storage on the inside. Outside, you have unobstructed pass-through storage at the front of the coach, and in the back, there is more storage in the space underneath the bunks. The roof is fully walkable, so you can easily get up there to clean it and inspect your seals. We've even added Lippert ladder prep for you to add a ladder to the rear wall if you choose. The 260 BHC also features our brand new power package with a 12-foot power awning, power tongue jack, and 4 power stabilizer jacks to make setting up your Springdale a cinch. All Springdale Classics come standard with SolarFlex Ready solar prep, but we encourage you to consider upgrading our SolarFlex Protect 220i package so you can run your 12-volt systems like your jacks, awning, and refrigerator confidently without being hooked up to power. SolarFlex Protect also helps keep your battery charged, eliminating dead batteries and the cost of replacing them. Lastly, the entire Springdale Classics collection is equipped with Black Tank Flush. This feature gives buyers the ability to make sure their tank stays clean and trouble-free. It's a small detail, but I think a really important one. This new collection is about making RV camping smarter, more affordable, and more attainable for everyone. We have had a lot of fun getting back to basics and hope that you are just as excited about the Springdale Classic collection as we are. Keep an eye out for more floor plans on our website at keystonerv.com/Springdale. We have some exciting things coming, so make sure that you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that we can help you camp better.